Happy New Year. I hope it's not too late to say that. I hope your year has started off well and you guys are doing great. So I'm excited about the new year and I thought maybe we'll start off the year with an auction video. So it's been a while since I attended any auction and I thought this would be the right time to go to Pangani Auction Center. So for today's video, I'd love to give a huge shout out to Skillshare who have sponsored today's video, and I'll be telling you more about them later on in the video. So if you're new here, my name is Jojo and I do create content around home decor. So be it showing you places where you can get affordable items for your houses, that is maybe attending the auction or going thrifting, and also once in a while I do some little makeovers around the house. So if that is the kind of content that you'd love to watch, kindly make sure you hit the subscribe button below. So for today's video, as I mentioned, we are going to Pangani Auction Center, but today the weather is a bit chilly. It's drizzling, but I'm hoping maybe by the time I get to Pangani, the weather will have cleared up and maybe we can start the auction. So I guess I'll see you guys at the auction center. So guys, I'm here at the auction center and this is the storage side. That's why you see a lot of items are there, but we only have 2 auctioneers for today's auction and they don't have a lot of items, and the items are they're just there. So I'll take you through the items that they do have, and for some of the items I'll be giving out the prices that the items were bought for. And yeah, so guys, let's go in. I'd love to tell you more about Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for creatives and curious people who'd love to know or learn about a particular skill. And there are a variety of classes ranging from photography, we have graphic design, there's entrepreneurship, interior design. If you're into productivity, you'll find all those lessons on Skillshare. And at the moment, I'm loving a particular class by Kate Arendt. It's about personal productivity. You know, it's the beginning of the year and you've set your goals. And in this class, she's given us 5 exercises to make your big goal become a reality. So one particular thing that I've loved is one of the exercises is how to define your zone so that you can be able to know your zone of genius. Skillshare have been generous enough and they are offering a free trial premium membership plan for the first 1,000 people to click on the link in the description box below. So make sure you check out my description box and click on the link and sign up for the free trial premium membership plan, and you will get to take advantage of the different classes that Skillshare offers. And at least this new year you develop a new skill, or if you have a skill that you'd love to learn, make sure you check it out. There are so many classes that you can take advantage of with the free trial premium membership plan. So that is it for today's video and auction. As you saw, they didn't have a lot of stuff. I think maybe it's because it's the beginning of the year, but I'm hopeful that as the year unfolds, they are going to have quite a number of items that they will be selling. So that is it. So we'll keep on checking and see which other day they will be having good items on sale. And that is it, guys, for today. And remember to click on the link in the description box below and take advantage of the Skillshare premium membership for you guys. So if you did like the video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're new, kindly hit the red subscribe button below. I'll see you on to my next video. Bye.